We have a culture of ambition, we have a culture of speed, and we have a culture of innovation. We make us to be very quickly to address the different changes that happen in the market. Second, a very strong local presence. That gives us making science a competitive advantage because we can serve more and more international clients. And last and very important, our technology.
I will provide a brief overview of the financial highlights we have been presenting during this session. First of all, we met our 2024 guidance, and the figures from the first quarter of this year, our expectation is to meet this year guidance as well. The most notable aspect of Q1 is the 33% year-on-year revenue growth and 11% increase in recurrent EBITDA, which is aligned with the gross margin growth when excluding Georgia. In absolute terms, half of the gross margin growth converted into EBITDA, demonstrating the strengths of our operational efficiency model. Our international business is now growing faster than Spain, driven mainly by the strong performance in the US and key European markets such as France and Nordics. Our international business and Spain are seeing gross margin growth of 17% excluding Georgia.
Desing was born 6 months ago, and the balance so far has been very positive. In these 6 months, Desing has been helping its clients on the main 3 challenges of the digital marketing. First of all, campaign efficiency. Secondly, measurement and planning. And finally, content generation. Always putting control and brand quality first.
2007 I founded Trikroner, and during this journey and all these years we have developed a strong positioning in media agency as buying media, strategies, innovation, performance and so on. 2022 we added in to us all the competences from the engineers and people within making science. That made us suddenly that we could offer also MarTech, data and AI combined with our history of storytelling and media buying. And that's for sure our most critical success factor, and that's really a part of why we have grown the business so significant the last 2 years. In the Nordic market, the total media investments are approximately 10.1 billion euro. That's a growth of about 4.2% from 2023. Another interesting thing is that approximately 25% of the media investments are going through media agencies. That means in Sweden, for example, with the Swedish Media Agency Association, the first quarter 2025 was a growth of 6% for the Swedish market and many investments going through media agencies. Today our offices are in Stockholm, Gothenburg, Malmö, Oslo, Copenhagen and Helsinki in all 4 countries. We are 84 employees and 175 clients, and we are in a strong positioning going forward. The need of integrated ad tech data and AI solutions combined with media buying, it's more and more a must that the client would like to see from us. And obviously with our positioning for the moment, we are the only really 360 agency in the Nordic market that have all competences within one company and one voice.
There is still plenty of room to grow in France. First, the market is large, close to 20 billion. We're not systematic yet, therefore we can bounce whatever happens in the market. Third, the proposal that we decided since the beginning of the year, which is a mix of data, measurement, performance, branding, summing these things into a Matryoshka strategy where we can open the different boxes for the advertisers in order to help them grow, really works. And as an evidence of this, we've just gained a very large LCS client doing retail. So regarding France, are awesome, the teams are happy, and the year is going to be